Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Thursday, March the 22nd, I've got 4 great press releases for you. I like it because 2 are financial results and 2 are coming out of the resource space. Let's get to the financial results first. It's Advanti Corporation, OTC, trades on the stock symbol ADVC. They put out their financial results for 2011. I really like these numbers. Revenue came in at $9.58 million compared to $9.3 million last year. Net income came in at $1.71 million compared to $1.58 million last year. More importantly, from an earnings per share basis, I like this number, 0.2. That's 2.6 cents per share compared to 2.4 cents per share last year, and the company's trading at 23.5 cents right now. They're saying that revenue was a record, that's up 3%. Net income was a record, up 8%. So you got to like a company that's setting records and growing top and bottom line. They're also saying that 2011 was their 9th consecutive year that the company reported a net profit. What do? They're a provider of internet-based hosted electronic data interchange. Most of you may know that as EDI, and electronic document management software and services. In short, they help businesses automate manual, paper-intensive processes. Closed yesterday, 23.5 cents, 52-week range, 30 cents on the high, 3 cents on the low. So they had some great moves this year. Obviously, a lot of shareholders got to be happy with their performance. Next up, sticking with results, Auto Info trades on the OTC on the stock symbol Auto, AUTO. They also put out their 2011 year-end numbers. This is a logistics service provider. I'll get to that in a second. Gross revenues came in at $320 million compared to $280 million last year. Net income came in at $3.6 million. Earnings per share, 11 cents. That compares to $3.1 million and 9 cents per share for last year. Now, they've got 2 business segments, this part of the logistics services. They've got transportation services and agent-supported services. The transpo, my gut tells me that's the bigger side of the business because I know that business. That includes their brokerage and contract carrier services. So they don't have any kind of assets whatsoever, but they're a brokerage firm. They're probably moving loads between carriers and independent agents throughout North America every day. They closed yesterday at 70 cents. Their 52-week range is 88 on the high, 49 cents on the low. That gives market cap about $24 million. But at 11 cents per share, they're trading just over 6 times earnings. This is a solid business, probably not going to go anywhere. I wouldn't be surprised this company gets taken out sometime in the next 2 or 3 years. But otherwise, seems like a nice investment. Moving to resources, Magellan Minerals trades on the venture M&M, and for our friends in the U.S. on the QX under MAGNF. They announced that they expanded their Coringa resource by 108% in the measured and indicated category and 444% in the inferred category. This is a 43-101 compliant resource estimate on their project in Brazil. Here are the highlight numbers. You can drill down to the results. Total resources, 561,000 measured and indicated ounce of gold, 534,000 in the inferred category using a 1 gram per ton gold cutoff. Now, if they use a 2 gram per ton gold cutoff, they come in at 516,000 ounces of gold in the measured and indicated, 409,000 in the inferred category. Closed yesterday, 43.5 cents. $1.50 is their high, 41.5 is their low. So they're pretty much at their 52-week trading range right now. Perhaps this is what the market was waiting for. We're pre-market right now, so I can't take a look at where it's going to be opening. But I got to imagine that the market's going to be happy with that news, so take a look at it. And finally, Pershimco Resources trades on the venture under the stock symbol PRO, and in Frankfurt under the stock symbol BIZ. This may be a company that has the best 2 combined stock symbols I've ever seen, PRO and BIZ. You got to like that. They announced they hit 41 meters of 1.17% copper in the deepest portion of a 200-meter hole, grading 0.44 grams per ton of gold. That number includes 13 meters of 3.06% copper and 0.92 grams per ton of gold as well. The copper intercept is located within a wider gold interval extending 200 meters from surface and grading about 0.44 grams, as we said in the headline. The company says they've intercepted gold in all holes, so not just these ones, recently drilled on La Pava. They say all the holes contained significant, quote-unquote, that's their words, gold mineralized lengths grading above 0.35 grams per ton that were used previously as the cutoff grade for the first mineral resource calculation. The company says as a result of success of this drilling, they should have a positive impact on the gold in oxide mineral resource. So look for that. They closed yesterday $1.35. They did very well because their 52-week low is 36 cents and their 52-week high is $1.50. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 4 great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap resource companies and you watch us on Globe Investor, that look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see the companies we've covered over the past couple of days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show on a daily basis, take a look at the best headlines in my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.